Hey, Katie. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So I found out what the big assembly was about.
What's that?
I won an award for excellence in teaching, and part of it is is a bunch of perks. California in June and $25,000, and all sorts of accolades.
It was all for you?
Yeah, it was.
I'm sorry, I'm silent. I'm crying right now. I'm so happy for you.
I love you.
I love you so much. I'm so happy for you. I love you.
All right.
I don't know what to say. I'm so proud of you. I love you.
Well, thanks for supporting me all these years. It means a lot.
I love you so much.
I love you too. Hey, I'll see you later tonight, all right?
Okay. All right.
All
Have
right.
fun. Enjoy it. Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.